this is Marcel. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are working with I guess it's a screen guard for when you're cooking for grease splatter. And I just used a basic butterfly shape cut out of paper to get my design and some inspiration from Pinterest. And my supplies I had on hand, and I wound up spray painting with some paint I had on hand. I didn't have black, which would have been preferable, but I actually really wound up liking this color. It was soft and goes with my art studio room. So you'll just sketch whatever you want. Be sure to cover the hole in the center. If you pick this up from Dollar Tree, there's one on a handle, a long handle on the side, and there is one that has the hardware in the center, the little handle. So you have to take that off if you're going to use that. So you can see what I've done here so far, and I'm just adding a few more details by a few different things I saw on Pinterest. And on the outside of the edges and the outlining, I used the yarn, and I just skipped over two little places in the screen and then did my stitch that way. And I did that because the yarn is a little bit thicker than your average embroidery thread, so it kind of needed a little bit more space, if you will. I just want to say again, I'm not an embroiderer really. I know some basic skills that were given to me growing up by my grandmother and mom, but aside from that, I don't really know. You can probably find some good videos here on YouTube on how to do that. But for what I was doing, I really just wanted to fill in space and make sure that everything looked pretty good and cohesive. So that's what I was doing. So this is the basic outline of everything, and a little bit filling it in as well. I think even like this, it looks pretty. You know, that would actually look good with maybe a set of these that you might do. But I just thought it was so pretty, and the colors are so my colors. And I have to tell you, it was very calming and therapeutic to do something like this, or you can do it in front of the TV or just spending a little time to do it, but it's just another form of artwork, I would say. For me, it's like a thread painting, but yeah, I enjoyed doing this, and obviously you can do any kind of color scheme that you want. That's the back, and you're not really going to see that, but that's kind of what it looks like. And this is the front, just like that. Now that would be pretty just like that, but again, you can't have all those sketching in there. You need to know that from the beginning, unless you're going to use maybe a chalk pencil or perhaps a charcoal pencil, something that you can clean off so you don't see all those extraneous sketches that you did. So this is the edge, and also just your basic embroidery stitch there that I did. And if you do fill it in like I did, if there's any areas that seem to be faulty or maybe don't look quite right, you can fix it then. Uh, that's what I did, as you can see, kind of towards the bottom there where the darker pink is. I didn't make it wide enough, so that was my correction. But it seems like it's easy to do for something like this. Of the stitches that I've already done and how they kind of come together. I think it looks really pretty. And this is the finished embroidery. I think this is so pretty, and this exceeds any expectation that I had. And some of those little things, like in the center where maybe things are off center, I think, went in and fixed those so that they look a little bit better for me. And then I just used some scraps that I had. I think I got this bag from Michael's many years ago, and I still have it. And I was trying to just figure out how I wanted to hang it. So, and that's entirely up to you also, however you want to hang it. I thought leather would be a nice little touch to it. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. And please like and subscribe if you like what you see here. I have some really good videos coming up. I'm very excited. And doing that just helps my channel grow, and that's what I'm trying to do. And if you hit the notification bell, that will let you know when I upload a video. I am trying to do that once a week, so that's my goal. Anyway, have a great day and be kind to someone today. Take care.